Our client came in for a BioTanix treatment because she's saying her hair is unmanageable. She has a lot of hair. So we're going to help her. We shampooed her, we conditioned her with the treatment. We let it stand for
We'll
45
just take
minutes,
it.
rinsed it out, blow
Just
dried,
as you
flat
always
ironed,
do.
and now we are trimming her ends. One thing about this product,
And you just cut
it
it split.
really helps to seal those split ends. If you are having problems with frizzy,
And then I'm
messy,
gonna use the other
unruly
one too.
hair, which is
Just to seal
difficult to
those ends.
handle,
I don't know how
then
I'm going.
this BioTanix treatment, it is an organic protein that strengthens and repairs the hair. It lasts from 3 to 6 months. It makes the hair super
Let's
shiny, as you can
see.
see, and
I
so
need to have some
much more
eyelashes. I look so
manageable.
plain
The
Jane.
technology is amazing. It has silk proteins and amino acids, and it has no formaldehyde. So go get your BioTanix treatment.